Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you much for being here. Today's going to be a point of view, and this is something I'm going to be trying on the channel. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy it. This is just a bit of a tester, a teaser, just to see and what we can do with this new camera. So here is one of my lovely models. We were thinking about doing a root stretch, root melt, root shadow into a silver blonde, but because she had already a really nice soft root that was growing through, we decided just to go in with 7SB Joico Lumishine Gloss Liquid. That was all over with 5V, developed for 20 minutes, and it dropped beautifully. So it blended in her natural roots into the blonde because the blonde dropped down a little bit. But this was something that we were talking about where we were thinking, should we bleach up the roots again and then bring it back down? But here you can see I'm just taking a picture just to show her the final look, and then you can see that blonde there is beautiful, really nice and cool. But the lights in my salon are being changed today, so they give off a real warm glow. You'll probably see them that are just popping up in this video. You'll see how sort of hot they make hair look, in the sense of make it look warmer. But this is the final colour, and then with the haircut, what we want to do is the client wants to keep a bit of like a pixie texture, but she's fundamentally wanting to grow it. So we're going to be having it over the ears. We're going to be just taking off little bits off the top, but I'm going to be putting in more of a shape through the underneath section. So we're just talking about it just here. I'm going to point cut the baseline just to keep the texture and keep it soft. I'll then put in a central back section here, and I'll be working a diagonal finger line to give me some graduation, and then I'll work a moving guide all the way around the head. And then when I get to over the ears, I'll then be keeping the hair over the ears, but keeping it just a little bit more textured and stronger rather than cutting around. We did the same on both sides. This just gave us a really nice shape to the head underneath. And then when we come to the top section, I'm literally just taking off little bits, but just to keep it stronger and longer, but just to add a bit more shape to it. So you can see here just over the ears, it just pops over. That can be tucked behind, it can be brought over, and it can be added with texture and product. So here we are on the top. I'm just grabbing my back central guide that I put in first, and then I'm just doing a central section through the top, and I'm just nibbling off these ends on the top just to make sure that we're maintaining all the length, running all the way from the crown to the hairline at the front. We then match up that guideline there in the middle to the edge guide that I put in originally, and this is just followed all the way through. Here it is dry, you can see that's all blended beautifully. This is the final result. Let me know in the comments what you think, but you can see all that texture in there. And if you want to see me do more point of view videos like this, I will be more organised, I'll get more pictures, more footage, but let me know what you want to see from in the salon, and I'll be sure to bring you it very, very soon. Here's the final result. You can see here, it is cooler in the real life than it is on the video, but this is something I'm going to be sorting out very, very soon with the new lights, and I'll be sure to have a better end result picture for the video. But yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments down below. Hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.